In this video, we look at how to buy tiles online and some of the tools that the Tile Warehouse has made available to you to make sure you get the right amount of the very best tiles for your next project. Obviously, before you buy anything, you're going to want to do some research into the type, the size and colour of tiles. And the Tile Warehouse website has everything you need to do this, but it also has some more advanced tools that maybe you're not aware of. The website is easy to navigate and you can either search for a particular product if you know exactly what you're looking for, or do what I do, which is to use the drop-down menu to filter your search, such as types, colour, material, style, or one of my most important criteria, price. There's literally hundreds of types available, so these filters really help you very quickly focus into what you're looking for. And when you decide, you can order a free sample that will turn up in the post, which I think it's important to have so you can see and feel what the tile you've chosen looks like. But sometimes it's difficult to visualize what a whole wall or floor or combination looks like from such a small sample. But the Tile Warehouse has solved this problem for you. You see, the tile visualizer is available on your PC or mobile, and you just simply load in a photo for the room to be tiled. This is my bathroom that's looking a bit sorry for itself at the moment. And the visualizer will automatically tile your room's walls and floor with whatever you choose. So you can have some fun trying different possibilities and things that maybe you wouldn't normally try, like maybe a bit more colour, or maybe some stars, and on the floor. Okay, maybe not. But I think my wife would like a clean white Metro tile on the wall and a darker grey on the floor. You can also change the tiling pattern and the grout colour as well to add some interest. And the end result is exceptionally realistic and really gives you an idea of what it's going to look like. You can do all of this on your PC, or you can use a QR code on the back of the sample you received to open up the visualizer without even having to download an app. Once you've found the right tiles for you, then make use of the tile calculator page, which is a really useful tool to work out how many you need for your project, and then you're ready to order. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And there's free delivery on all orders over £300, and your tiles will be with you in just a few days, or a next day delivery service at a small additional charge. And remember, at this point, remember to order any tools, grout or adhesives you need, or anything else, so when you're ready to start, everything is in one place, ready to go. If you have any questions, give the Tile Warehouse team a call or get in touch using the web chat facility or email. So enjoy planning your next tiling project, and I will see you in the next video.